Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Bobby, and welcome back to another food review. Alright, today, more chips. I know, I keep going with chips. It's chips, I always find something interesting. I don't want to be known as the chip guy, okay? But this is the last one. Maybe, we'll see. I just like chips. Today we're reviewing this weird flavor that sounds really good, actually. Flamin' Hot Dill Pickle Lay's. Cool. Because I remember they had the dill pickle flavor. I tried it. It was good. I love pickles. I don't love them, I guess, but I like them. I like the flavor. But hot dill pickle, flaming hot dill pickle, sounds very interesting. I'm super excited. I don't know how hot they're gonna be. Probably not super bad. Fiery, tart, and crispy. That's literally what it said. So, short video. I just really want to try this. We're gonna open it right now. I'm gonna review. Oh, that smell. Oh, my eyes water a little bit. Oh. Those smell very good. It's like I just smell pickles, and then just my nose starts burning. Let's see what they look like. I want a good one. For this one, no. That'll do. So they're red, not super red. They smell like, they smell like vinegar. They smell like salt and vinegar. That's weird. I don't know. I hope they're good. I think they will be, so. I really got nothing else left to say. Just trying to make the video as long as possible. It's only 2 minutes long right now. So, my name is Bobby, and this is the Flamin' Hot Dill Pickle flavored Lay's chips. I'm just gonna write. I'm trying to think of a title. I'm gonna probably do like Lay's Flamin' Hot Dill Pickle chips or food review or something like that. Let's do it. They smell good. Give me a big one. Oh, there's the heat. Not bad. Hotter than I thought. What the holy shit. Damn. Not super bad, but wow, that's strong. I wanted to see how hot they were and how they tasted. Taste is alright. Not terrible. Heat, different story. Those are hotter than I thought they were going to be. Those are hotter, in my opinion. I think those are hotter than the Flamin' Hot Cheetos or whatever. The Flamin' Hot Crunchy Cheetos. I think those are hotter. That's crazy. Damn, Lay's. Never had any hot chips by Lay's, and they fucking knocked it out of the park on that one. They're not the greatest tasting. They don't really taste like pickles. It just tastes like vinegar. Kind of. But damn, they're hot. That's crazy. Oh. Whew. I didn't bring a drink or nothing. One more. We're good. I'll give them a thumbs up. Alright, I like one more. I just like that heat. Alright, I'm done. Alright, wow. Okay. So, again, not the strongest flavor in pickle, but definitely fucking hot. My mouth's on fire. My nose is running a little bit, tiny bit. They don't look that intimidating until you put it in your mouth. Then that fucking, it's fucking fire. Ugh. Wow. I did not expect that to be that hot. That's crazy. Alright, so I guess I'm done here. You can get these anywhere, I think. Flamin' hot dill pickle flavored Lay's chips. Good. They have the regular dill pickle ones. I think I've tried those and they're good. It's been a while though. I gotta try those again. Oh, burping up fire. Alright. So I guess that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, leave a like, share, comment, or do what you want to do. Send requests for food challenges, food reviews, band arts reviews, and throwback reaction videos. And let me know what you guys think about the Flamin' Hot Dill Pickle Chips from Lay's. I think they're good. I don't know if they don't really taste that great. They're okay. They don't have a strong pickle flavor. That's what I was looking forward to. The pickle, strong pickle with the heat on it. But you mostly just get the heat. And it just tastes like salt vinegar chips to me. But I don't know. Still get a thumbs up though for being that fucking hot. My mouth's still burning. That's crazy. Alright. Yeah, thumbs way up for these. If you're looking for heat, this is what you gotta get. So, alright. That's it. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.